We understand your customers want their products now, so speed and reliability are important from your spring manufacturer. To help get our products in your hands faster, we invested in multiple locations to boost production capacity, lower shipping cost, and speed up delivery times.
Customers still need springs, they need them a lot of times in a hurry. So you have to be responsive to that request. And so you're always moving, it's never sitting still.
If capacity fills on one plant, we're able to share that work with other plants to help get parts out quickly for our customers. And the ability to have almost 100,000 square feet of manufacturing space is really key in helping us get orders out for our customers.
Most services are done in-house, including painting, grinding, and packaging, so we can control production scheduling, get you your answers quickly, and ship product faster. Our dedicated quality team, located in each and every one of our facilities, works hard to ensure that every product meets your exacting standards. With every product that goes out the door, our reputation and your reputation is on the line. We have stayed in business for over 80 years by producing superior springs, giving confidence that your products will be made to your specifications or print.
We've been in business a long time. We want to continue for another 50 years, 100 years, and we can only do that if we bring 110% day in, day out.
We have the in-house talent to help you design just the right custom spring or wire form solution for your products. How? We take the time to get to know your business, your product, and your manufacturing environment. Our engineers have years of experience crafting high-quality, precise springs for a variety of applications. But our design needs to work specifically for you. Tell us your needs and let us go to work.
So it's our ability to be nimble and to provide whatever that customer needs in the time frame and the price that they need it.
As a family-owned business, we try to build and maintain great relationships with our customers and our employees. Whether you need a quote, answers, advice, a custom design, or product turned around fast, Diamond Wire Spring will do anything we can to help. It all starts with making it easy to do business with us. When you call, you get a real person on the phone who is empowered to answer your questions and get your quotes and products out the door quickly. We like to say, just one call and it's done. We designed our online ordering system to be easy to use. We also have Spanish-speaking customer service representatives. Our history of reliability makes us the go-to source to take care of your precision spring needs.